Hey, if you want to share files on the Google Drive, all you have to do is just to select file that you want to share, or if you want to share multiple files, just click Ctrl on your keyboard and select with the left mouse button wherever you want to share. Let's say that I want to share these 5 files. And now when I select them, I have this icon with the share 5 files. Now when I click on it with the left mouse button, from here, I can actually find this pool where I can add people. So when I click on it with the left mouse button, I can actually find some recommended contacts, the suggestions. And when you click on the right corner, you can actually find the permissions. So we can set this person to edit file, comment, or only view. Also, we can send people notification that right now they actually get access into your files. And also we can send some custom information like, for example, welcome. Right now you can just check my stuff or something like this. And then all I have to do is just to click on the send. Now just wait for the sending. And as you can see, the access is updated. So yeah, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.